I'd like to invite the Mayor of Warerley, Councillor Mary Faryszewski. Warerley is the home of Islamabad, and Mary attended the inauguration of the Masjid Mubarak Mosque earlier this year. She is an avid campaigner for animal welfare and works with numerous charities across the UK. She's a very good friend of the community, and we are honoured to have Mary join us today. I invite her to come and say a few words.
It isn't enough to talk about peace. One must believe in it. And it isn't enough to believe in it. One must work at it. Peace is a full-time job. It's protecting civilians, overseeing elections and disarming ex-combats. Peace, like war, must be waged. We all live in a world shaped by our past, where good and bad, right and wrong, truth and lies, war and peace exist. The Ahmadiyya community in the UK speaks up and represents loyalty, freedom, equality and respect. Love for all, hatred for none. Waverley is a large rural borough in southwest Surrey with a population of over 123,000. It has plenty of character, lush green spaces, a diverse business community and multi-faith community. It is often rated as one of the best places to live in the United Kingdom. As Mayor of Waverley, I am proud to boast about the jewel in the crown, here in the very heart of Waverley, in a small, beautiful, tranquil village called Tilford, home to the Marbek Mosque, the home of His Holiness, a place not just about worship, but about community. I would like to thank my dear friend and former colleague, Nabil Nazir, and the community at Tilford for your hospitality and kind invitation to your inauguration reception in June and the follow-up visit 2 weeks ago. It is an honour and a privilege to be here today. I would like to end by quoting the words from His Holiness. We strive for interfaith dialogue. We value and cherish our neighbours. We are ready to help those who are in need. We champion the rights of the weak and the deprived. We are there to serve the community and to be loyal and faithful citizens. This is your faith and your teaching, and we are very, very proud to have you in Waverley as part of our community. Thank you for having me.